Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's digital landscape, online security is paramount. We're going to explore a simple way to enhance your privacy, setting up Royal Tunnel VPN on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Royal Tunnel. Now, this is crucial. Before you tap Install, take a moment to verify that the app's name and icon exactly match what you see here. Fake VPN apps are a real problem, so this quick check can save you a lot of trouble. Once you're sure it's the real deal, go ahead and tap Install. After the installation, open Royal Tunnel VPN. The first thing we'll do is tap Update Resources. This ensures the app has the latest list of servers and the most current configurations, which directly impacts your connection speed and security. Now, let's talk servers. For beginners, I recommend tapping Auto Server. This lets the app intelligently select the best server based on your location and network. However, more experienced users might want to choose a specific server manually. Next, tap Connection Method and select UDP, All Country UDP. UDP is generally faster, but if you experience connection problems, selecting a server specifically in your country is often the solution. To keep your connection active, you'll likely need to tap Add Time periodically. This typically involves watching a short advertisement, which supports the app's development and allows you to use the service. Finally, tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. And that's it. By following these steps, you've significantly enhanced your online privacy and opened up possibilities. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital world.